Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you that how you can set a password into your PowerPoint file. As you can see that I have opened a slide 50 PowerPoint file of 56 slides. Here are the 56 slides, and this PowerPoint file I want to lock. So first of all, ensure that the file has saved into the general location properly and the file has completed properly. Then click on the file, then choose the save as option from here, then select the location of saving. I'm selecting the download location and giving the file name presentation 2, and here I am giving the file name password. From here, now I am selecting here tools, select the tools. From tools, choose the general option. You can see very carefully that here two options is showing. One is for password to open, and another is password to modify. So from here you have to open, you have to choose the open. I'm giving the password, then click on OK. Then I have to reconfirm the password, then click on OK, then save. Now we will check that password -pss file. First of all, I am closing my existing file, then opening this. Enter password to open file. So you see that we success and we made the password into this file. I am giving the password, then click on OK. So in this way you can protect your PowerPoint file. Thanks for watching this video.